So this is Indigo, the catamaran behind us, and this is what we'll be on for the next 4 days.
Welcome to Indigo.
That engine there is cut out. It's not starting, so... Here we go. There we go, we're back in business.
Need a little time just to slow it down. I need to get
Morning. Wow.
Wow, we had such a good sleep. So the sun's not quite up yet. I slept better on the boat than I did in the van.
Yeah.
But yeah, look how flat it is. That's Gary just there. Fraser. Okay, let's make a coffee, eh?
Yeah, let's go get a coffee.
Okay, that's one going.
Yep. Don't move forward, yep.
Huh?
You don't need to drive forward.
Don't?
Not yet, no.
Okay.
Stop. Angle it that way.
Turn.
Angle the boat that way.
Yeah, tell me when. Good. Angle the other way. I'm turning. That's hard as it goes. Back. Go backwards. Up.
Reverse.
Reverse. You got to talk louder.
Reverse. Yeah, stop. Pull. Up.
Anchor up.
Up.
Keep going.
Yeah.
That it? Woo. Successful. Anchor is up.
And we're off. Anchor up.
We have just pulled up to a place called Arch Cliff and we have stopped here for breakfast. The one-handed crack.
The one hand.
He's got 3 for 3.
Nice.
Can he
Can he?
do 4 for 4? One hand. Hey!
Oh yeah.
clocked out, 10 till 2. Beat the traffic on the way
So we've
down.
got plant-based barbecue sausages, eggs, and someone forgot the maple syrup.
Oh,
but
no.
That's okay. We got yogurt, Greek yogurt with blueberries, strawberries, peanut butter, chia, and hemp. Quick, grab the camera. I've just spotted dolphins, like about 2 of them, 30 meters away from the boat, and they're chasing something. They're super fast. Max is going to get the drone up and see if you guys can get a better look. But, oh my gosh, so excited to see dolphins.
Okay, so we are gonna get the tender and we're gonna take it to the shore. This is gonna be interesting. I've never really driven a tender before. I don't think it's too hard. You got, 3 controls, forward, neutral, reverse. And then once we unhook it, we have to somehow get in. And then once we're in, we've got to take off.
I need a place to clear my mind. I need to get away. I need a West Coast sunset paradise. I need to get away. I need a place to clear.
Yay!
All right. Oh. Okay, choke back in.
Nice forward. Woo!
Oh, nice. What's going on? Come on.
Maybe they give it some breaths.
Look how far away we are from the
Oh
boat.
shit.
All right, I better get this thing started, otherwise we're going to drift away. All right, so choke.
Fuck.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
Far out. Oh, that was hectic.
Wow, This water is so clear and the sun is out.
Probably pull up just up here, eh? Alright, so that was an epic fail. We went out to the beach with the tender and like the rain, there's all these like storm clouds and the weather's just turned. So we've just beelined it back to the boat. Yeah, because the hatches on our rooms, that everything was open because it was sunny. Oh, it's raining. Oh, holy cow. I'm so glad we came in. Look how, oh my shirt. Look how much it's raining. We were like, oh, 2 seconds ago, we were like, oh, we didn't even need to come in. It's gonna completely miss us. Like, it wouldn't have been too bad, but it just would have been annoying, like trying to, plus we had our camera equipment, we had our bags. Em's having a shower, en route to the next stop.
Which is?
Got no idea.
Wumba Creek.
Wumba Creek.
I need a West Coast sunset paradise. I need a getaway. I need a place to clear my mind. I need a getaway. I need a West Coast sunset paradise. I need a
Wow, how good is this? Sunset on the dinghy, on the tender. We just went to this sandbank before. Well, it's actually part of Gari, but like there was this sand like knob head thing. Took some photos, but oh, the light is just so gorgeous right now over Gari. Like all the hills and the bushes, it's like a golden green. Wow, so amazing. We're not the only ones out here. It's just wild. It's so cool. So glad that we got to do this because we're able to explore like the western side of the island. Everyone's over on the eastern side and not too many people are over here. So, oh, here we go. A bit of golden light. Woo! Yeah! Golden light. There's the boat. Can you see it? That's where we've got to go. Sun's out.
Oh, yay. You sleep good?
Morning. Yeah, this is where we slept.
Oh, I had a good sleep.
I had really good sleep. It actually it got real calm.
Yeah, and it rained too, but not too much. But as you can see, it's really, really flat down here. It's not too bumpy.
Whoa, look, a rainbow. Wow. We're back out this morning on the tender, doing a little bit more exploring. Em's driving. So we're at Wumba, that's it. We're at Wumba Creek. The tide is going back out, so it's already high tide now. It's going back out to low tide. We just took the tender in there. It's a bit shallow, to be honest, so I had the drone up. We had to sort of navigate with the drone like where the deep spots were. But we're going to go around the other side of this sandbank and yeah, see if we can pull the tender up there, and we want to have a swim.
We've landed in paradise.
So this is what it looks like when the tide's low at Wumba Creek. All of a sudden you can see all these little sandbanks everywhere. It looks really cool. So we were over there before with the tender and you could like go right into the creek, but now obviously you can't. Yeah, it's crazy how it changes. But the tides only change about from high tide to low tide. It's only about 1 meter difference at the moment.
Highlight of our trip so far. We've been waiting to pull into a nice beach and just enjoy the clear, calm waters here at Wumba.
Wow, this is so amazing. So I guess that's the beauty of having your own yacht. You can just pull up to any beach. You know, no cars can get here where we are. The only really way to get here is if you've got your own boat or your own little tender. So the tide's dropped, so we're gonna have to drag it back from there all the way out to here somewhere. Oh, all right, we dragged the tender out. Still pretty shallow, so it looks like we're going to be walking the tender all the way out to where it's deep enough so we can drop the outboard in the water. So there's a little passage through there, but we'll still have to lift it because I think it will run aground where it's shallow. Oh, it's actually really warm.
Is it? Oh,
man.
pretty nice. Gonna eat and then start cruising.
Yep, this is my one.
Slowly.
Day 4. We've made it to day 4. Wow. We're gonna go to a place called Pelican Bank today. It's like a little sandbank. It looks really nice.
Good morning.
Morning. Did you have a good sleep?
I did actually. I've been sleeping pretty good. Yeah, it's been like really calm. Oh, another turtle.
Looks like a ferry, another vessel. You just got to make sure the rules are when you're passing another boat that you got to pass them on the starboard side. So it's opposite to like the way you drive in Australia. So you don't keep left, you keep right. Top tip.
We've made it. We're on land. We're on Pelican Bank. Max is sending the drone up. There's one pelican I can see and a few other seabirds, but we're the only ones on here. The tide is going out, so there's heaps of sand exposed. It's like white sand. Really cool.
All right, so we're gonna head back now. Pretty cool. It's just like a sandbank in the middle of the ocean. But yeah, now we're gonna have to take the tender through these little waves and over to the cat.
Short and sweet.
At least we don't have to push it as far as yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday the tide went so far out, we had to drag it for ages. So it shouldn't be too bad.
Got all our stuff.
Yeah, it's come to an end unfortunately, but that was so amazing. If you're ever in Harvey Bay, guys, seriously check out Fraser Island Boat Charters. And yeah, if you want to charter your own boat, go on the website. There's a few different ones you can look at.
All right, here we go. Back to van life.
Got everything?
That's a cool little trolley. Come on, you've got this. Big push.
Oh yeah.
Come on, feel the legs burn. Come on, you're nearly there. Keep going.
Don't want to let go. Run me over.
That's it. Keep going. Got it. Yes, you made it.
Thanks,
Awesome.
Scott.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Have you
mate.
enjoyed it?
Yeah, we definitely enjoyed it. Guys, if you're in Harvey Bay, Fraser Island Boat Charters, it's an experience. Get to charter your own boat. They've got a few to choose from. So jump on the website and have a look what they've got. And yeah, highly recommend it. Highly recommend it.
Fun.
So much fun.
It was hard coming off, wasn't it?
It was it was very hard. It was very hard.
But it's very easy because the waters are protected. Like it's not as
Super-
scary as what you
Nah,
think.
we to be honest, we were shitting ourselves a little bit.
Yep.
But nah, it's not even that bad.
And Scott's on call.
We can do
all the
it. Anyone can do it.
Yeah.
Honestly, nah,
well.
really,
time.
really
Yeah,
good.
can't wait. Well, next time it's the powerboat. that we show.
Sounds good.
Thanks,
No
Scott.
worries, guys.
Or you can even do a bare boat, which means you skipper your own boat, and we've done it through Fraser Island. What are they called? With Fraser Island Boat Charters.
Captain M. Sparrow here.
Looks dark out there.